Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool, a ladder. It's easy and fun. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw a big upside down U shape for the main part of our ladder. Now let's make it 3D. Add another curved line next to it so it looks thick and strong. Next, let's draw the steps. Start with 3 rectangles across the ladder. Make sure each step looks 3D by adding a sideline to the rectangles. Draw the first rectangle near the top. Draw the second one in the middle. Draw the third one at the bottom. It looks like you can climb them. Now, finish the U shape at the bottom. Great work! Our ladder is looking awesome already. To make our ladder stand properly, let's draw 2 more stands behind the main ladder. These stands are slightly angled and give the ladder balance. Let's take our black marker again and make all the outlines bold and sharp. This will make the artwork stand out and look amazing. Look! Our ladder is ready, and it looks like it's working.
Yay!
Now it's time to color. We're going to use rainbow colors to make our ladder bright and colorful. Purple color. Indigo color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color.
Yay!
Red color. Wow, look at our colorful ladder. It's so bright and fun. Great job, everyone. You did an amazing job drawing and coloring the ladder. Don't forget to share your artwork with your family and friends. Thanks for drawing with me today on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.